So, what I have is rice, fish, bacon, vermicelli, and some salad. And of course, egg. Welcome to Dana! So we are about to head out. Yeah, we rented a SUV. So it's a private vehicle. We rented for 700 dong, 700,000 dong. That is around 1.4 sa Philippine peso. So that's for the whole day. Sundot hatid na yun. Somehow medyo nakatipid kami compare from getting a private car here sa hotel. Pero mas mahal siya comparable to Grab. So, pwede na rin. Not bad. But the best way to go to Bana Hills is via motorcycle, which would only cost you around 1,500. So that's 300 pesos. Di ba? Sobrang mura. It's so hot! So, ito yung sundo natin for today. Sundot hatid na to. Okay guys, so finally here. Just gonna message si Kuya pagka pabalik na kami. But from here, so ano yun? Ilang oras yun? So mga an hour trip siya coming from nasan ba tayo? Danang City proper, going here to. So sakay daw tayo ng bus. So sakay ng bus going to the cable car. Nandito na tayo guys sa Bana Hills. Sa parking area. Sakay na tayo ng shuttle bus heading sa cable car. So we're finally here. Dito yung ticket redemption area. I think mag-ano muna tayo ng ticket. Kasi parang eto na yun eh. Start na kaagad siya. One person at a time buy ticket. So there's a luggage room there. This is a ticket counter for foreigners. So I guess ito na yun. Ito na yun, no? Dumaan kami ng ticket booth just to confirm yung ticket namin. And we were told na yung mismong ticket na pinadala ni Club, yun na yung pwede namin gamitin for the access sa mga pupuntahan natin today. So, very quick and easy. Medyo clueless kami pero sinusundan lang namin yung mga tao.
Lagi pala sila pupunta sa Starbucks.
Cable car. We're heading to cable car. So guys, yan yung pila going to the cable car. Medyo mahaba. So ito guys yung reality here.
Okay ka pa.
So, daming tao. So, advisable talaga na be here as early as possible para hindi ka makisabay sa crowd. So, marami pa ng mga stations ng cable cars here. And we are here at Champa Station, cable car. By chance siya kung saan ka pumila, doon madadali ng mga guides. So I think this is yung pinaka-end part ng cable car. So after mga an hour,
An hour ba?
nakarating na kami sa cable car. So sobrang haba ng pila, guys. After 10 to 15 minutes, nandito na tayo sa Indochine. So nandito tayo. Do you wanna go here?
Where?
Here?
Okay. Oh, yung cute.
What's the best seller? For milk? Yeah.
Chocolate beauty, matcha beauty.
Matcha. Rest muna tayo, guys. I ordered watermelon juice for 65,000. Half a million, guys. Okay, guys. Moving on sa medieval fair. So, dito tayo galing. So, we're heading to Fantasy Park. So, punta kami dun sa may kabilang part ng... Hindi ko alam yung mga pangalan kasi mahirap panggitin. So, mag-train ride kami going there. So, hanapin lang natin kung nasa yung train. So, I guess this is it. Dahil mukha siyang terminal. So, this is 60,000 for 2 pieces.
You have 10,000?
Sorry, 10,000. Hindi ko alam kung saan tayo pupunta today. Hinahanap ko yung train pero di ko kami tinuro. lang pala siya guys, yung bridge na to. So dalawang kamay lang siya, tapos may... Pero... So we're here at the Love Garden. So this is the Love Garden or Vuon Soy Tong. Ay, view lang pala to. Oh, kaya pala umuulan sa baba. Ay, hindi. Pwede kang pumasok sa loob. Ayan, oh. It's like a maze. It's a maze garden.
Baka dito.
Ayan, oh. Kaya nga, kung gusto mo ng...
Pagpamis. Tara.
So this is called the story of the maze garden. Ayan siya. Labyrinth of trees, blah 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 blah. So, para siyang ano, umuulan siya sa loob. Lalabas. Uy, hindi ko alam kung tayo punta. Ano na? Ah, ito na, ito na, ito na. It's so wet. Masaya siya guys kasi mainit, so nagpalamig tayo. Fresh. We're here at Methodology Garden. 괜찮아. 괜찮아. It's actually 3 o'clock, 3:30 here. Pabalik na tayo dun sa parang pinaka-main island. We're gonna take this tram again, going back. Meron kasi kaming na-miss dun sa area na yan. So, balikan lang natin. Funny guys kasi kamali kami nasakay ng na cable car. Supposedly dapat papunta kami dun sa kabila. ang nasakay namin pabalik na sa parking area. So, kasi gusto sana namin sumakay ng Alpine coaster. Eh kaya lang, kailangan namin sumakay uli ng ano yung cable car going there. Layo. So, figure out muna namin kung magkano siya. And siguro mag-decide sa kami mag-decide kung pupuntahan or not. Yung presyo ng Alpine coaster is 70,000 dong. So, that is just around, magkano ba 70,000 dong? 50,000, mga 150 pesos?
Yeah.
Ang mura, di ba? So, parang 150 to 200 pesos lang yung presyo ng Alpine coaster. So, ang fun sana niya. Kabubukas lang niya. Unfortunately, 5 o'clock nagsasara na yung Alpine coaster. So, wala na tayong time to go there. Kung babalik pa tayo, it will take some time para sumakay ng sabaw na tayo, guys! Hindi ko na alam sinasabi ko. Anyway, punta na tayo ng parking, hanapin natin si Kuya, and then we're going to have late lunch and early dinner. Okay guys, so right now nandito tayo sa may entrance sa Sun World here in Banang Hills, and we're about to go back in the city. It's 4:30 in the afternoon, and magpo-close na rin naman kasi yung theme park. So I hope you enjoy my short tour here in this theme park, and I hope to see you on my next videos. Until next time, this is Nakay. See you. Bye-bye! Dito sa labas guys ng parking, maraming mga Grab drivers nag-aano. Ayan mga yan. Magpapakita sa inyo sila nung parang Grab logo. And then, yun, Grab service sila actually. So, hindi ko lang alam kung magkano yung singin nila. But, you can just ask and try siguro. Pag wala talaga kayong masama, it's an option that you can do. Tayo mag late lunch, early dinner, Vietnamese home cook restaurant. You put this in the rice and then mix it all together. Parang kunwari, you're a friend of a friend. Pedestrian crossing. Good job. So, dito tayo sa may Cabbage. Actually, katapat lang siya ng hotel natin. So, from our dinner place, naglakad lang tayo, which is like 14 minutes away. So, yun yung hotel natin guys. And sa tapat ng hotel, meron dito mga restaurants. So, pag-rest tayo guys, full tank. Para ready tayo for tomorrow. Pas-pas na sila dito. Okay, so ngayon naman balik tayo ng hotel. Let's go. Vietnamese coffee. To go.
Sa video. Ay!
Tayo lang talaga yung nahatay. Pare matadapa.